we can describe virtually every single visualization as a set of components. And we have two main types of components: marks and channels. The marks are the visual objects that represent data items, and the channels are the visual or graphical properties that encode the properties of the data items, what we previously called as data attributes. In a way, you can think of this as the alphabet of visual encoding, the elements of the language, the visual language that we use to create visualizations. So let's start with the first set of components, the marks. We have four main types of marks. These are the most common ones. We have points, bars, lines, and areas.